What if I told you that AI might secretly sabotage your English skills, and you don't even realize it? I'm Smith, an English educator helping thousands of learners speak confidently.
And I'm Sarah, passionate about teaching practical English that sounds natural and human.
Many learners rely on AI for grammar, writing, or pronunciation. It seems helpful at first, giving instant answers and suggestions. But over time, your brain may stop forming sentences naturally. You may know the right words, but fail to speak with confidence.
The key is balance. Use AI as a guide, not a crutch. Active speaking practice builds real fluency. This way, you'll regain control of your English naturally.
Have you ever typed a sentence into AI, then tried to say it out loud, and frozen? This is the silent trap that most learners fall into today. AI does the thinking for you, but your speaking muscles weaken. Confidence disappears in real conversations.
That's why conscious practice is essential. Even repeating one sentence aloud daily strengthens your brain. Combine AI suggestions with your own sentences. This creates real learning, not just imitation.
Step 1. Limit AI use for practice. Don't copy full sentences blindly. Ask questions, check your ideas, and speak independently. Your brain learns faster when it forms sentences naturally.
Step 2. Engage in real conversations. Talk with friends, tutors, or online partners. The brain thrives when solving language problems actively. This is the fastest path to fluency.
Step 3. Focus on pronunciation. AI can read perfectly, but you must practice mouth movements. Speak slowly, record yourself, and notice the differences. This trains your brain and vocal muscles together.
Step 4. Mix AI tips with real speech. Use suggestions as guidance, not scripts. Personalize sentences immediately in conversation. This builds true language intuition.
Many learners overuse AI phrases like, "I think that," repeatedly. It sounds stiff and unnatural in real speech. Humans expect variety and personality in conversation. Don't let AI make your English robotic.
Mix vocabulary naturally. Try alternative phrases actively. Think creatively in every sentence. Your language skills grow this way.
Step 5. Limit translation tools. Relying on them prevents thinking in English. Try forming ideas in English first, then check if needed. This strengthens internal fluency.
Step 6. Embrace mistakes. They are your best teachers. Each correction builds memory and confidence. Mistakes are proof that your brain is actively learning.
Many learners fear speaking without AI. The fear stops practice even with correct knowledge. Don't wait for perfection to speak confidently. Action always beats waiting.
Confidence comes with consistent use. Speak, repeat, and practice original sentences. Small daily efforts outperform long AI sessions. Progress comes step by step.
Imagine freezing mid-sentence with a native speaker. It happens because AI did all the thinking. Your brain didn't form the sentence itself. You feel frustrated even if grammar is correct.
The solution? Active daily practice. Speak aloud, even alone, for 5 minutes. Correct mistakes immediately. This trains your fluency muscles naturally.
Step 7. Record your voice. Listen to pronunciation, intonation, and flow. Compare with native speakers, not AI. Notice progress over time.
Step 8. Repeat phrases in context. Use sentences in different situations. This builds flexible language skills. Real-life adaptability beats scripted AI output.
Step 9. Challenge yourself with longer sentences. Even if you make errors, your brain adapts. AI can suggest improvements later. Practice comes first, perfection later.
Step 10. Engage socially online. Comments, chats, or video calls help active recall. The more you speak naturally, the faster fluency develops. AI can't replace social learning.
Step 11. Use AI to check, not create. Think first, speak second, then confirm accuracy. This reinforces memory instead of replacing it.
Step 12. Learn phrases, not scripts. Use them flexibly. Combine with your ideas immediately in conversation. Fluency is creative, not robotic.
Step 13. Review mistakes regularly. Notice patterns and weak spots. Work on one at a time. Slow, steady improvement is best.
Step 14. Reward yourself. Celebrate progress, not perfection. This keeps motivation high. Small wins matter.
Step 15. Keep curiosity alive. Ask why. Explore new expressions. Experiment. Active thinking builds true understanding. AI is a tool, not your brain.
Step 16. Stay consistent. Daily effort beats occasional marathon sessions. Language grows in small, repeated steps. Patience and persistence are key.
Remember, fluency comes from active engagement. AI can assist but cannot replace your effort. Confidence grows with speaking, not copying. Take control of your learning today.
Practice with purpose. Engage, make mistakes, improve. Consistency beats perfection. Fluency is earned, not given.
That's our roadmap to using AI wisely and mastering English. Practice, speak, and regain control of your skills. Your fluency journey starts now, step by step.
For more tips and lessons, visit Explore English online. Confidence, clarity, and real improvement are waiting for you. Don't stop. Start today and enjoy every step.